We're really pushing the boundaries on what is available in the printing technology for cards. We don't have a lot of touch points with our customers that are actually tangible. So I know when I joined the bank and I received my MasterCard, that's the moment where you like take it out and you want to show people, and it's kind of, I don't know, it's a little bit exciting. It's sort of personal.
I find it great to have this physical embodiment of our design process, since we are a mobile bank, and it's one of the few things that you can actually hold in your hand that comes from N26. The card, hopefully you can use every day, and we've even taken great care in terms of the packaging of the card, so it's a little moment of delight when you get that in the post box and you open it for the first time.
I was recently in London. I went there just for one day, really quick trip, and worked with our packaging provider, Burgopak, and they're excellent to work with. So we were able to create prototypes like right there on the spot, which was really cool. So I was able to actually give them our team's vision for what we kind of thought that this product could look like, build a prototype of the box and hand it to me. So then I can also take it back to our company, and we can all decide as a team whether or not this is going to work for us, which was really cool. So they're like really fast, and I think that also works well with us because we're pretty fast.
Every word, or every lack of word actually, in that packaging has also been very carefully thought through. We've tried to create a minimalist design and again have it be sort of a special moment in the introduction of receiving a very unique card in the market.
And that's our goal, because we actually think it's really cool that you are a Black Card user and that we can give you something that's just a little bit more special in the mail. You don't get mail that often these days, so when you get something that's nice, I think that's even better.